Deliming is necessary when lime scale or white mineral deposits are visible inside or outside the machine. Before handling dish machine chemicals, always use personal protective equipment, including appropriate gloves and eye protection, and follow the chemical supplier instructions for handling. The complete Delime cycle is designed to provide your machine with a custom Delime schedule based on the machine usage and your local water conditions. To perform the complete Delime procedure, please follow these steps. Press the dedicated Delime button on the control. Start Delime cycle. It will take approximately 60 minutes to complete, will display. Press the arrow key to select yes, and then press the enter key. If the screen Delime button is disabled, press the 3 lines on the upper right corner and select Delime Program. Please clean strainers. Make sure Delime bottles are full and Delime tubes are fully inserted into each bottle, will display. Clean all strainers and scrap baskets. And check the Delime bottles and tubes. Press enter when done. Drain the machine will display. Swing all tank drain levers to the left and open the drain. Leave all of the drains open. Press the enter key. Draining for Delime process. Please wait, will display. The tanks will continue to drain before moving on to the next step. Please close drain and doors, will display. Close all drains by swinging the drain lever to the right. After closing all the tank drains, press the enter key. Filling for Delime process, please wait, will display. You can leave the machine for the rest of the Delime process, which takes 45 to 60 minutes. The machine will go through the automated Delime and rinse cycle. Delime cycle complete. Please drain the machine or the machine will be turned off automatically, will display. Open all the drain levers to the left to drain the machine. If the machine is unattended for 5 minutes, the machine will be turned off automatically. When the machine is turned on, the machine will resume at this stage. Press the enter key. Delime cycle complete. Draining in progress. Machine will be turned off automatically, will display. After drain is completed, the machine will be turned off automatically.